Dear brothers and sisters, the gospel passage that we heard today is part of the visitation scene, is part of the presentation scene. Yesterday we heard that Mary and Joseph bring the child Jesus to temple to fulfill what the law told them to do. And then they offered a pair of turtle doves as an offering of thanksgiving. Then we heard about Simeon talking about the child, how this child will be the cause of rise and fall of many. And today we heard about another woman who was there in the temple at the same time, prophetess Anna, and we heard she was a devout woman, a devout widow, who spent her time in prayer and fasting. And as she prayed and fasted in the temple, she recognized that this child was no other child than the one the whole world was waiting for. And she spoke about the child. And what did she say? She said, this child will bring about a redemption of mankind. To say in simple language that we can understand, this child will be the cause of rise of many. This child will bring about a revolution, a change of thinking, a change of behaving, a change of living. This child will cause a revolution and turn everything upside down. This child will help us to reach a heavenly goal if we live the true doctrine which this child will preach. The only doctrine which this child spoke later on was to love God and to love human beings. We ask God to give us the grace to come to the close of the year, to thank God for all the blessings which we have received, most importantly, the blessing of His love. Love for each one of us as an individual, love for the family and for all our children. We also ask God, as we heard in the first reading, that we always seek and desire to do God's will, not to desire earthly things.